हाय गाइस, सो वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो। एंड आज से मैं एक सीरीज चालू कर रही हूँ जिसमें आई विल बी स्टाइलिंग मोस्ट कॉमनली फाउंड पीसेस इन वार्डरोब, इन आवर वार्डरोब। सो जैसे कि फॉर इंस्टेंस लेट्स टेक आज का एग्जाम्पल। सो टुडे आई एम गोना स्टाइल अ वेरी बेसिक ब्लैक जॉगर्स। आई थिंक जो सबके वार्डरोब में होगा, एक ब्लैक पजामा, जॉगर्स, ट्रैक पैंट, वट एवर यू वांट कॉल इट। आई थिंक एवरीबडी हैज़ अ ब्लैक जॉगर इन देयर वार्डरोब। सो आई थॉट कि आज मैं इसको यूज़ करके किस तरह से हम सिर्फ एक ब्लैक जॉगर्स के लुक को एलिवेट कर सकते हैं, ब्लैक ट्रैक पैंट्स को मतलब इतना एलिवेट कर सकते हैं कि वी कैन इवन वेयर इट इन अ पार्टी। Okay, so how you can do this? So I will be sharing some looks with you. So I have created, I think, almost 6 to 7 looks, where I have started with some basic looks जहाँ पे how you can style it in a way that you look cool, है ना? And not just like regular जैसे हम लोग पहनते हैं, we always wear it with a t-shirt or a tank top, but how you can layer it so that you look more put together. You have put in some efforts in your attire. Good dressing sense always makes you stand out. Even when you haven't spoken a word in public, your appearance, how you have dressed up, says a lot about you. I've created all these looks in keeping winters in mind because बहुत जगहों पे already winter start हो चुकी है. So I thought कि ये सारे looks मैं उस तरह से बनाऊँ कि आप उन्हें आने वाले महीनों में like उन्हें style कर सको उस तरह से. So even जो party looks हैं वो you can try them on Christmas parties or New Year parties. So or if you have any other occasion or bachelors or whatever, because wedding season भी चल रहा है, so people have bachelors and parties. So उन सब में you can use them. Also, this is gonna be a long video, so you can have your coffee. I already have mine, so you can also grab your coffee. And so let's start. So I am starting with the basic looks, basic but cool looks. Okay. So in the first look, I have paired the black track pant with a black sweatshirt. Underneath I am wearing a tank top. So you can see what happens is कि black on black looks good, but अगर आप उसके बीच में कुछ ऐसा ऐसी चीज़ ऐड कर दो which differentiate both the top and bottom. So I have added a tank underneath जो नीचे जा रहा है. आप टैंक टॉप की जगह आप कोई वाइट टी शर्ट भी ले सकते हो जो कि दिख रही हो, आपको उसको दिखाना है, मतलब इंटेंशनली उसे दिखाना है. सो बेसिकली यू कैन वेयर एनी टी शर्ट उसके नीचे से. एंड अगर आपके पास वाइट में नहीं भी हो तो आप किसी भी पेस्टल कलर की टी शर्ट को नीचे से पहन सकते हो. एंड टू ब्रेक द मोनोटनी ऑफ ब्लैक, आई हैव एडेड पिंक शूज, पिंक स्नीकर्स एंड पिंक हैंड बैग ऑल्सो. सो लाइक अब आप जो भी उसके नीचे शूज और हैंड बैग कैरी करोगे, यू कैन, आई हैव कैरीड अ हैंड बैग, यू कैन ऑल्सो कैरी अ टोट बैग बिकॉज इस लुक के साथ टोट बैग बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. जो भी लो आप ट्राई करना कि वो दोनों एक ही फैमिली के हों, वो दोनों सिमिलर कलर्स हों दोनों, चाहे शूज़ का और आपके बैग का. एंड वो दोनों ब्लैक से काफ़ी डिफरेंट हो. आप उसमें नियॉन ग्रीन भी ले सकते हो. नियॉन ग्रीन विल ऑल्सो लुक वेरी कूल. ऑल्सो विंटर्स में क्या होता है ना कि हम लोग जब सबको मिलते हैं, सब लोगों ने ना बहुत डार्क कलर्स पहन रखे होते हैं. लाइक विंटर्स में जो भी कलेक्शंस भी आते हैं ब्रांड्स के, उनमें ज़्यादातर डार्क ब्लू, बरगंडी, अभी बरगंडी इज द कलर ऑफ फॉल 2024, एंड ब्लैक, ग्रे, सब यही शेड्स पहन रहे होते हैं, जो कि एक टाइम के बाद ना सब बहुत बोरिंग लगने लगता है. सो अगर आप उसमें ना ऐसे कलर्स ऐड करोगे, पिंक और नियॉन ग्रीन, तो यू विल स्टैंड आउट जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट कलर. बिकॉज वो विंटर्स में देखना बहुत ही अनयूजुअल होता है, बहुत कम लोग ऐसे कलर्स पहन रहे होते हैं. So for that matter, yellow also. So in the next look, I have paired the same track pant with a tank top and a corduroy shirt, and along with that, I have added one very extraordinary, shiny, large, like larger than life tote bag. So this tote bag is a killer, like it's a killer piece. It will like make you stand out in a room full of people. You will stand out with this tote bag. And in the bottoms, I have added white sneakers, one basic sneakers, and one black gladiator for shades. So this is how I have styled it. In terms of accessories, I have kept it very minimal because I wanted this look to be very cool, elevated look, and a comfy look that you can carry like in daytime for your lunches, for your brunches, and for your normal meetings or something like that. So even you can wear this in your college if you are a college going student. So yeah, so I think this look is a fab. Like when it comes to casual looks, this is going to be a one look that will turn heads. So in the next look, I have paired the same track pant with a maroon crop top and a white blazer. Now please don't mind the ironing of this blazer because I don't have a ironing steam iron in this studio, so please don't mind this. But coming back to the look, so for the accessories I have added silver hoops and a silver pair of heels and a small black handbag to complete the look. And you can also add like more accessories if you want. I wanted to keep it a little minimal because I wanted to keep it a day outfit, and an outfit that you can even wear to your office or in your college, or if you have to go for some tea or evening cocktail or something like that. And yeah, this is a very nice, very comfortable casual outfit. This is also a very nice outfit if you want to like go out somewhere but don't want to dress a lot, but you want to still make a statement. So these were all the casual looks. Now the looks are more elevated looks that you can wear, like you can carry in the night time, or even if you have an event to attend or a place where you want to dress up a little bit more. So the next few looks are more dressy looks. Okay, so in the next look I have paired a pink top with the same track pant and again silver heels and one nice pair of earrings. And for the bags I have carried the black bag, but if you have a little shiny bag, blingy bag, silver blingy bag or something like that, you can please ignore this. You can add that bag also, because I think this look yes, I think this look is very basic, but at the same time it is elevated look, and you can, like, you have the scope of accessorizing more in this look. And you can even pair it with a shiny sling bag, or you can like layer accessories onto it. Like I haven't added anything on my neck, you can add neck piece or something like that. And this is a very comfortable and cozy look, perfect for winters. Also, I forgot to talk about the pink blazer that I have added, but I think you guys have already seen it and you guys have got it. So for the next look, I have paired the same black track pant with a long trench coat, olive trench coat, and inside of it I am wearing a nude color top. You can also go for light brown or beige color tops that will complement the look. And I have paired it with a black boots and a black bag and long silver hoops. So yeah, so this is also a very nice comfortable look, perfect for winters. Also this look is stylish, but at the same time this is a very powerful look. Like I think this is bold and speaks a lot about your dressing sense and everything. This look speaks efforts, it shows that you have put in efforts in creating this look. Also boots are just giving a new definition to this entire look. For accessories, you can also add a watch and rings and things like that, and this will surely get you more compliment. So the next two looks are completely party looks, but at the same time they are very cool, and you guys should try them, like in whatever way you can do it, but do try them because you will love them. And both of these looks are perfect for New Year's party or Christmas party, any kind of party you are going to. Okay, so in the first look, I have added the same black track pant with a black leather shirt, and with this I have added, to break the monotony again, I have added color, and I have added purple heels and same purple violet bag. And in terms of accessories, like this is my favorite part of this look. Like I have added one big chunky necklace, like it is a studded one with this bold lips going on. Like this is a very cool piece. And in terms of rings, I have added one big silver snake ring. So again, that snake ring also tells a lot about you. And I have completed the look with a black shades. I know it is a party look and parties are usually in night, so but I think shades are one thing that are not defined by at what time you are wearing. I think that is a very, shades are very cool accessory, and please normalize wearing it in the night also, yeah. ठीक है, I know you can't wear it for long in night, but for the pictures you can wear it. ठीक है, so so yeah, so this look is one of my favorite in this entire series. Like I loved this look especially because of the accessories, and I think one must invest in all these statement pieces or pieces that will like all these pieces are conversation starters. Like if you're an introvert, this is a pro tip for you. Investing in such unique pieces is a nice idea because they always elevate your look, they always build conversations, they always grab eyeballs. Now we are on the final look of this video. So in this look, I have styled the same track pant with a very nice sexy crop top and a very shimmery bold blazer. So yeah, so this look in itself is like is something else. And in the bottoms I have added a silver heel, a nice sling bag. Like I have added a handbag, you can also add a sling bag if you have very chunky sling bag. And for the accessories I have kept it very minimal because I think this look in itself is very much, is too much. So I didn't wanted to style it a lot in terms of accessories, so I have just added my silver snake ring and small pair of earrings and one black shades. That's it. So this is how I have styled this, and this is my final look from this video. But I think this look is a killer look. Seriously, the pictures and the videos can't justify it. Like the vibe of this look is something else. It looks like that you are coming out of a music video or something and you are just here to party and to like, this look screams vibes. So yeah, I loved this final look and I can't express you how cool is that look. You will only get to know once you try it. If you don't have this shiny blingy blazer, you can style this with any black blazer you have got. And for that matter, you can even raid your father's or your brother's or your boyfriend's closet, and I think every man has a black blazer in their wardrobe, so you can use theirs. And this look is a statement. This speaks power, this speaks fun, this speaks like a lot many things. So pair your blazer this time with a track pant. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, do give it a big thumbs up. And I am new on YouTube, and if you will subscribe to my channel, it will mean a lot to me because every follower means a lot to me, and I really want to continue doing this. And your engagement in terms of subscribing to my channel or dropping a comment or liking the video means a lot to me. It gives me motivation to get up and make these videos every day. So yeah, if you like this new series, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Also comment down what you want me to style next. Like if you want me to style a sweatshirt, or I think white tee and white t-shirt and white shirts are like overdone on internet. I don't want to style them again because I think ठीक है, we all have seen all those videos of styling white t-shirt and white shirt. I don't want to do it. I want to do new things. So if you have something else in your mind, you can drop a comment and I will make a video on that. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye.